I'm going to try doing another geometric pattern by just starting out with some wavy lines and seeing where it goes. So, no idea where this might take us, but it's going to be fun. I just know it. Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AKAAWOL, and I had fun with the whole making a pattern from just doing like basically filling in and doing stuff. So I thought I'd try it again, but I would start differently. So this time, the little angles on the side skip a space. So just doing something one little step out will change up the whole bracelet, I imagine. And yeah, let's just give this a shot. So skip one, and then yeah, I kind of liked how the other one did the start like this, so we're going to try that again. Alright, so now I am going to speed things up as I fill this in. Okay, so now we're going to try going again with like the gray. We're just kind of using a similar color palette, but this time it's obviously going to make a little bit bigger of a zigzag. So before, I think it was only like 3 going up and then 3 coming back, and this time it's 4. So already we're off to a whole different start. I guess that comes up? Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to fill that one in. Okay, so now we have that row in. I guess we go back kind of like how we did the last time and just go over this with the dark color. So this already kind of brings us out to the quarter mark. So that's pretty cool. And then again, I'll do the underlying strings. Alright, I think now we're going to use, yeah. And then I kind of want the bigger outside parts again. So I'm just kind of like every other one with the red. And yeah, that can bounce back. Right, okay. So yeah, just kind of double checking, make sure this is going to line up where the strings can go, and I'll fill that in. Okay, so now we have the red all in. Let's box that in like we did before. So this is already way distinctively different from our last time. I don't know if you guys remember that ethnic-y looking one. This is different by a lot, and I'm liking it. All right, let me fill this in. Okay, so that's all boxed in. Now we'll go ahead and do this silver, and that brings us all the way to the halfway point. So yeah, that's... Oh. Okay, so it has a little kick out. Yeah, I kind of like where this is going. So it's not straight up the diamonds that we had the last time. So this is pretty cool. All right, I'm going to fill in this one. Okay, so far, got a lot of waviness kind of going on here. I think this is going to come down, come around. And then, yeah, okay. I think we got something kind of cool going on here. I know I keep saying that. It's really... It's very different. All right, let me fill this in. Okay, and instead of doing the silver inside, I think I want to go with the red, because it's really, there's no chance of like doing what we did before with the changing it up afterwards. There's just like this little space in here. Maybe if we kind of bumped out this part, we could have done that other zigzag stuff, but I think this might make it a little bit interesting. Okay, so we're still left with 4 strings that aren't really connected to anything, you know, as far as the knots go. So we can use those for strings that will get used a lot. For example, this gray gets used an awful lot. So let's see, we can... This one makes contact over here. So we get 2 grays on this side. We can add a gray over on this side, probably this end one here. And we're left with 2 strands, which I'm guessing we can do the dark color for those. So Okay, so all the stuff is all filled in there. We can now fill in the rest of this design and see what we have. So it's, as you can see, it's kind of locked onto my guidelines. So Control C, Control V. We take the flip tool, horizontal, move tool, slide this over, and it locks onto the grids perfectly. That's awesome. Anchor the layer, take the top half, again with the grid line, so nice. Flip tool vertically, move this on down here. And anchor the layer. And there we have, wow. I think we have accidentally created a very snakeskin design. This is so different than the last one. This seriously looks like something like a python or something. There you go, an accidental snakeskin pattern. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give a like, give a comment, and yeah, perhaps join us over on Patreon. It's a fun little community we have over there. A lot of sharing going on, and yeah, thanks to them, all these videos are possible. So, thanks, guys. Yeah, the pattern for this will be over on my website, AKAAWOL.com. So be sure to go check that out. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.